Sign up for the 2-day crash course and find out exactly what to expect on the real estate exam. This session is packed full of detailed explanations of real estate terms you'll most likely have on the exam. Eliminate all the guessing and confusion on real estate exam questions. We teach you everything you need to know on how to pass the real estate exam the first time. Classes are offered in live stream web classroom, which is an easy and convenient way of getting the education you need from anywhere on any device. Our crash course instructors have over 20 years of experience teaching DRE crash courses. 95% of students pass their state exams on the first try. Our live crash course works for both the broker and sales agent exam. What to expect? Learn how to interpret tricky questions on exam. Gain a better understanding of terms that are most popular on the test. Receive helpful study supplements with key terms and definitions most used on the exam. Valuable test-taking tips.